Hi, everybody. Welcome to Ursuline. We're so excited to have you as our freshman class starting this 2020 season. We're really excited to meet you guys and to welcome you to campus someday eventually. And anyway, just a big heartfelt welcome to all of you. My name is Miss Shank. I teach freshman English, so I teach English 1 honors. And I also teach English 3, so I teach junior English as well. And so I'd like to just kind of welcome you to Ursuline and give you a few pointers and tips about how to begin the year as a freshman and just some things that I think are important to consider as you start out with us at Ursuline. So one of the things about Ursuline teachers is that they love working with our students. We love to hear from you guys, and we really enjoy working with you outside of the classroom and inside of the classroom. So one of the ways that you can keep in touch with us is by emailing us. So the teachers will provide you our email at the beginning of the year. And then also messaging us on Teams. So most of your classes, if not all, will be on a learning management system called Teams. And so I often chat with my students on that format, and you'll see that your teacher will explain that to you when you start class. And then also, if we're on campus, there's options to visit teachers in their offices by calling them and establishing maybe a time to come visit, and then meeting them in their office hours or their planning time and talking about whatever questions you might have. The biggest thing I can recommend is just don't hesitate to contact your teacher. Communication is so important to everybody, especially when we're learning online and we're in the context of possibility that we will be from home. It's really important to stay in touch and let your teacher know if you have any questions or if you need anything from them. Oftentimes different departments like math or science or English will have tutoring opportunities for you. So it might be through organizations like the National Honor Council or National Honor Society, or different tutoring hours that may happen if we're on campus. But I think mostly the best thing I have for advice about tutoring is to just ask your teacher what options that they have for tutoring for you. So what do I love most about teaching at UA? I love working with the students at Ursuline. I'm an alum of Ursuline. I went to school at Ursuline myself and graduated in 1997. And this will be my 6th year at Ursuline. And I absolutely love the girls that we work with. You guys are an incredible group of learners and academics, and so curious and so dedicated to learning that anytime I get to work either as, helping out with literary magazine or any of the clubs or just being an advisor, which I'll be a freshman advisor this year. Anytime I get to spend with you guys getting to know you and understanding your dreams and your story is really my favorite part of working at Ursuline. The best way that I think sort of advice for your first year as a freshman, I would say, is to try, if possible, I know this is hard, but try to ignore kind of the noise of what everybody is saying or what everybody is doing and just follow your own heart and your own needs for whatever comes up as you begin your freshman year. Don't worry about what other people are doing as much as worried about what you're doing and what makes you happy in the classes that you are enjoying and want to take. What are your dreams as a student at Ursuline? It's not as important what your friends are doing. It's way more important what you want to do. So I think it's easy, especially in the freshman year, to get a little bit wrapped up in kind of what the crowd might be doing. And so my advice would be follow your heart, talk to your teachers, open communication with your teachers, pursue activities and sports and extracurriculars that truly do interest you, and try to have a very balanced schedule. You want to have a life in addition to being a student, and so don't overburden yourself with, a complete schedule of too many honors classes or something that's difficult for you to manage. Do what works for you. If you're somebody who loves to take all honors, that's great, but it's not required to be a successful student at Ursuline. And so just think about what makes you happy and what you want to pursue and follow those hopes and dreams. Anyway, I just wish you guys the very best as we start school in August. I know your teachers are getting really excited to meet you, and your advisors are getting really excited to meet you, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks so much.